Hello and welcome. Today is the first day of 2025, and I want to wish everyone a happy new year, a prosperous new year, an abundant new year, and a year filled with good luck and good fortune. Today's painting will be very special. It is something new that I am tapping into as far as my creativity goes. I like to do different techniques, play around with the fluid art technique. So not pour it the standard way, but just do something different. I think that is where I am going to be all 2025. It helps so much with my creativity, and I always come up with new ideas every single time that I pour. Here I'm just layering my colors, using some very beautiful colors today. And I don't want to give too much away because I want you to watch the video. I want you to enjoy the process. And I will be back to talk to you during the wet result. Here it is. So today I am playing around with some crushed glass for the new year. So this is ZenQ's crushed glass for crafts. I've had this for about 3 years now. I ordered it on Amazon and I just never used it. So here I just wanted to play around with the composition a bit and sprinkle the crushed glass in areas where there were just more blocks of paint or just more chunky areas of paint where I wanted to break it up a bit, break up the composition, add some interest, add some detail. There's already movement and flow within the composition, so I am really happy at how this crushed glass accented the composition. I was gonna put some here where the green is, but I decided not to. I didn't want to overdo it. I don't know how this is going to hold up once it dries. For instance, like this, as you can see, the crushed glass has already seeped into the paint. So that's exactly what I want here. It is kind of sitting on top, but this area here probably will not stick. So I'll have to figure it out. This is new for me. I don't really have high expectations for the outcome, but I love this composition. I love the colors. So I hope this dries beautifully as it looks now. Here's the final result. Well, this is the wet result. I'll show you what it looks like dry. And Happy New Year. Okay, thank you for watching.